Hey, beautiful people. I am back with another unboxing. This is a Saint Laurent handbag that I have been eyeing for a very, very long time. This bag in particular, I chose over there was a Chanel bag that I wanted. Almost dropped the dang on phone. But right now I'm just showing you some paperwork. But this is a bag that I chose over. It was like a Chanel bag. And right now, I don't know why they are into these like puffy pillow type of bags. Well, at the time, that's what they were into, because this is kind of like an older video. But anyway, it was a bag that I didn't really like. And I went to the store because your girl is definitely like, I like a firm, hard bag, a bag that's like, not hard bag, but a bag that I feel like can stand the test of time, that I don't have to like baby all around and things like that. So this is the bag that I chose, and bada boom, bada bing. So with this bag, this is the medium croc sunset bag. And when I tell you, this is like, I don't understand. This is like my favorite bag right now. Like, I haven't been wearing it as much, but right now, this is like my favorite bag to like look at. I have her on display. I don't even got my Chanel on display. This one right here, this one is on display. It's like, I just love the way it look, the way it feel. It's like the perfect fall bag that you can wear with like some sexy black heels and some like leather pants with like a chunky sweater, or you can dress it up with like a blazer or something like that. Now this part right here, your girl was like in the struggle, because when I tell you they wrapped this bag up, this bag was completely wrapped up. And yes, it looks like I'm manhandling the bag. It looks like I'm whooping this bag, giving this this bag a whooping. But no, this stuff was like super hard. Like, they completely wrapped every aspect of this bag up. And when I tell you I'm struggling right here, I'm definitely struggling. So there we go. All right. So now you get the full look of the bag. That chain is just so beautiful. It's just, the whole bag is just, look at it. It's got the Saint Laurent on the shoulder strap. It's not like digging in my shoulder or anything. I love it. I love this bag. It's just so beautiful. So a few things that encouraged me to buy this bag was the fact that my Chanel bag it has the silver hardware. I mean, the gold hardware. This one has silver hardware. It's croc embossed. It's kind of like the exact opposite. It's got I don't know if it's like suede cloth microfiber lining on the inside. The back pocket is super, super tight. Everything about this bag is just gorgeous. So I guess I'm gonna get out of y'all hair. I'm giving y'all a little look at the bag. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna be doing some videos in October. I'm feeling real inspired. Love y'all. Bye.